Hey everybody, RJ Baxter here, your out-of-the-box lender with your Saturday strategy. Did you know that if your buyers decide to hold off and wait to buy, especially if they're a renter, they're gonna literally lose thousands and thousands of dollars and likely end up with a higher mortgage payment? So to illustrate this, we're gonna go to my desktop and I'm gonna show you something very, very powerful that you can show your buyers to help them to make a decision as to whether it makes financial sense for them to buy a house now or to wait. So let's go check it out. All right, so here we are in the cost of waiting report. And I want to show you guys this because this is a powerful way to show people the actual cost of waiting to buy a home in dollars and cents. This can be a powerful way to help people get off the fence on making a decision. This can be a powerful tool to display in your open houses as a strategy to give to buyers. So I just want to show you this real quick, how this works. And in the interest of time, I've already built this ahead of time. So I've already plugged in a theoretical property, a $500,000 property in Denver County. You can see the settings here. And then down here what we do is we can add a loan. And what I can do is I can either compare several loans, or I can put one loan in here and do this cost of waiting analysis. And when we run this analysis, it projects it out up to 3 years. And it summarizes it in an easy to digest and easy to understand format. You can see down here, we have here property values, so it has projected increases in property value. It has data such as total cash to close needed, the total monthly housing expense, the projected interest rate increases or decreases. And we can change all this. So like, for example, property value, I can toggle between the forecast. You can see here a lot of people are getting a little bit more bearish on the increase in property values, that it might level out a bit in the Denver area. And then historically, Denver has gone up 5.52% year over year if you take over the course of time. So I can change this to historical, and you can see here how it changes the numbers dramatically. But let's just stay with, for now, the conservative forecast. And then you can see down below here, and we can, as the buyer's mortgage advisor, we can get on a screen share with the buyer and go through this with them so they can make it more easy to understand. But you can see here how it summarizes the data. So it shows here the loss in monthly cash flow, which is basically the increase in payment, the loss in property appreciation, and the amortization loss. You can see even with the conservative estimate, this particular example, the buyer has lost $5,900 just in amortization, so paying down the principal balance, and $9,950 in appreciation of the property, for a total of $15,851 over 12 months. We sometimes have renters say to us that they want to wait to buy a home so they can save more for a down payment. And this is a powerful tool that can show them that it would take a lot to save to actually surpass that and make a dent in this savings. So, and then down below is some colorful charts that make it easy to understand as well. And then just to show you the power of this, if we take the historical data, we can go down here and you can see over 1 year it's $33,501. In 3 years it's over $100,000 lost in appreciation and amortization. So very, very powerful tool. And if you have any questions, that's why I'm here. Just give me a call. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Or if you have a buyer that you want this run for, or an open house where you'd like something like this displayed, just let me know. We'd be happy to help out. You guys have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. My name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage, and I appreciate you guys.